Superstar, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. What you're looking at right now is basically the most simplest way to make money with Google Docs. Now what you're looking at is $1,400 here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I did this using Google Docs. You know what Google Docs is? If you go to google.com, type in Google Docs and you have these documents here. Well, there's a loophole to basically make money using Google Docs here. Smash the like button, show me some love, sub to the channel. Every other day I post a brand new video to help you make money online. In this video you will get paid. Listen, you will guarantee, absolutely, categorically earn at a minimum $1,000 to $1,400 today if you do exactly what I'm about to show you here. So first up is you got to go to clickbank.com. Go to clickbank.com. This was the first site that I made $1 million on, so I do recommend them as well. Go to Marketplace, okay? And I'm gonna show you how you do it with Google Docs. Just stay with me here. Now listen, the average person, when they get ready to promote products, you could be a brand new person. Doesn't matter if you're a newbie, a person that has no skill, they promote low ticket. The problem with low ticket products, it takes forever to make money in one day. But I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your mind, and I promise you by the end of this video, you're gonna love me. You're gonna comment below, Wesley, you're the man, and you'll be a forever subscriber of my channel because I kind of expose what a lot of internet marketers don't share with you. So you go to find products, you hit the magnifying glass here, and what you do is you look to the left. What you want to do is promote a product that you're going to get the most money for, okay? You don't want to get a little money. How many of you want a little money? How many of you want a lot of money? Smash the like button if you want a ton of money. You know, to leave that job and you can travel the world and do what you want to do instead of listening to a boss. So this is what you do. Scroll down here and you just take this little lever here. It's called the initial conversion here. And as you can see here, the average conversion is $100 plus. Let me tell you what that means. Listen up. That means that the average sale that is made, you're going to make $115, okay? So that means if you made one sale from Java Burn, well, that's $3,000 a month. Does that make sense? Not $37, $17. It just takes forever to do that. And if you're brand new, I'm going to show you what Google Docs is going to blow your mind what I'm going to do. All I ask you to do is to share this and smash the like button. You know, I can't shake your hand. So I'm gonna give you the product that I know that works, that I'm using right now. It's called Exapure. As you can see here, the average cart conversion for all these products is $100, $100, $100, $100. That's where you want to be, because we want to make $100 a day or $1,000, not one. And by the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to make $1,000 every single day with a click of a button here. Check it out. So I'm gonna scroll down here. And the product that I'm going to use, and this is what I did to make that $1,400 here. Click on the affiliates link here. You'll see this, okay? So you're going to scroll down. Basically, this is called an affiliate page. They're going to give you 85% commissions every time you make a sale, but that's $115. Click on email swipes, and you want to scroll down here. And this is the one you want to choose. This is what I did. Listen. Fastest way to make money is to model other people that are already making money. Success leaves clues, okay, big head? So come close and do exactly what I'm doing here, okay? Scroll down, boom, quiz. We're gonna use this because quizzes are very popular. And as a matter of fact, I've already did it for you. And since you made it to this far in the video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can just download this. I'm gonna basically give you exactly what I'm doing right here, if that's cool. So you're gonna copy this, okay? Copy. Okay. Copy that, right? And you're gonna go to googledocs.com. Type in googledocs.com. As you can see, I'm already here. And like I said, as promised, I'm gonna leave this doc below so you can just use it. Now, this is what's important. So many people miss this step, and this is why they never make money online. Let me show you something here. You have to make sure you inject your affiliate link. So click the button promote. Excuse me here. Generate hop links. Make sure your account name is there. Generate hop links. Copy. This link is what's going to get you paid, okay? This link here is what's going to get you paid. You can leave this blank, but make sure you have your nickname here. If you don't do that, you're going to make $0. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're getting value. Listen, so you're going to go back here. And like I said, I'm going to leave this doc for you. But every place where you see ugly plant, or if you see the blue highlighted, all you want to do is link it. Mouse over, click the link button, copy and paste, apply. Scroll down. You want to basically highlight all that. Link it again, right? Quizzes do very well. People like quizzes. And you put your name, not my name, your name, Big Head, right? Whatever your name is, put it right there, okay? Now, the next thing you got to do, you need to save this. And like I said, I'm going to put it below, but make sure you change the affiliate link to you, not me, because you don't want to give me money. I want you to have the money so you can have money in your bank account and make money online here. The next step and the last step is to go to facebook.com. It's a free website. Type in weight loss here, okay? If you're with me here, if you can smell me, smash the like button. Let's get it. Look here, you're about to make a ton of money here. So you type in weight loss, you click on the word groups here, and you want to join every group, okay, basically. Does it make sense? Join every single group here. And see, I'm going to join. Watch what I'm going to do, okay? So this group has 15,000, okay? Great group to join. So this is what you're going to do. And what I'm going to do for you, because I like you so much and I know you love me, I'm going to give you the exact message that you need to post. Here it is. Look, Facebook posts in groups. I did the work for you. Smash the like button if you want me to continue to do this. That means teach you, but just kind of give you the doc so you don't have to do a lot of work, okay? So you want to go here, okay? Copy and paste. Now let me get my charger real quick because my laptop is about to die. Give me a second here. Okay? So look, what you want to do is you need to engage the people. To do that, you see that it says, can you guess the fruit that dissolves thick arm fat? Comment your answer below. $10 for the winner. Are you going to say free gift for the winner? Free gift for the winner, right? Are you going to say you'll never guess, right? So you want to engage. You don't want to put your affiliate link here. The thing is, what you want to do is engage people. Does that make sense? When you start to engage people, trust me, they're going to start commenting fruit like crazy. And guess what? This is the secret, Big Head. Come close. Then, man, this is crazy. When you have all these people that's going to comment below oranges, grapes, bananas, vegetables, right? Watch to the very end. Listen, what you do is you're going to DM people the answer. And guess what the answer is? This link right here. Your Google Doc. Duh, right? And your Google Doc already has the exact quiz, right? The ugly plant. And they're going to choose one of these plants here, right? These are going to have your affiliate link, and that's how you get paid. Does that make sense? Now, you can do this. What I do is I do it to mini groups, right? I go to every group. That's how I made $1,400, honestly. And I did it in one day. Look, you go to every group. Excuse me here. You do the same thing. Smash the like button if you like when I belch. Let's go. I'm a human being, folks. I'm sorry. That's what I do. Sometimes I fart too. Look, you join all these groups. You can do this, right? And in every group, use the doc that Wesley is going to put below in the description below. And all you do is copy and paste this. Can you guess the fruit that dissolves thick arm fat? Comment your answer below. You can say free gift, $10, $25. It's up to you. Trust me, people will comment under the post like crazy. And what you do is you DM them. And you say, here's the answer. And you give them the doc. Say you were close, but here's the answer. You'll never guess what it was. You like me now? You're like, oh, Wes, this is powerful. Yeah, that's what you do. You do this to all the groups, and then you'll find yourself making a ton of money promoting the high ticket offer, making $100 to $200 per day, if not more. Now, listen, I know some of you say, well, this is easy. I'm going to try it. But what if there was a way that basically what I just showed you that took about 5 minutes, you can click a button, you can hijack a system and get paid $1,000 a day. And that's 30 $1,000 per month. I know some of you are skeptical. There's no way we can do this. Listen, even Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos echoed that software automation and artificial intelligence is taking over the world. Under this video, this is for people who want the software that will basically do everything I just showed you with a click of a button. And instead of $100 a day, it is $1,000 every single day. It is easy money. And I don't care if you're skeptical. You don't have to get it. You don't have to look in the description below and click it and see what it's all about. But if you want an automated way to do this, because maybe you're a little bit older and you just like, man, I need to make money right now. Well, listen, the opportunity is right here under this video. It's a technology. It's a software. I use it. Right now, I'm converting all my businesses to software automation so I can make my millions per month on autopilot. And if you want to make money and leave that 9-to-5 job, if you are sick and tired of being sick and tired, in the description below, or you can do it manually. Try it out. I'll leave the doc below. But look below in the description below. It's a freaking software. It's amazing. It's like it hijacks systems that you get paid $1,000 every single day. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. Much love. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go!